Mechanical keyboards are booming because of their satisfying feel and customizable features, loved by typists and gamers alike. Just like how switch type, build quality, and layout matter in keyboards, dog grooming clippers are judged by motor power, blade quality, and ergonomic design.
List number 1. One Is All Dog Grooming Vacuum. The One Is All Dog Grooming Vacuum is a multifunctional tool designed to simplify pet grooming while keeping your home clean. Unlike traditional clippers, this model combines clipping with a built-in vacuum system, which suctions up to 99% of pet hair as you groom. This means less mess on your furniture, floors, and clothing, a huge plus for pet parents dealing with heavy shedders. The kit includes multiple grooming tools, clippers, a brush, a de-shedding tool, and nozzles for cleaning up loose fur. The low-noise motor is gentle on pets who get anxious during grooming, and adjustable clipping combs allow you to customize the cut length. What stands out is the all-in-one grooming and cleaning solution, making it not just a clipper, but also a household helper. The vacuum container is easy to empty, ensuring a hygienic experience after each session. While the unit is slightly bulkier than standard clippers, the convenience of cutting and cleaning at once makes it worth it.
List number 2. One Is All Dog Grooming Kit for Heavy, Thick Hair and Coats. The One Is All Dog Grooming Kit is built specifically for dogs with dense, heavy coats. Its powerful motor handles tough fur that often causes clippers to snag or overheat. Equipped with stainless steel blades and multiple guard combs, it provides precision trimming while being safe for your pet's skin. One of its top features is the cordless operation, allowing you to move freely around your dog without being tethered to an outlet. The battery life is reliable, lasting long enough for full grooming sessions even with large breeds. Charging is simple with USB convenience. The kit also comes with grooming accessories such as scissors, combs, and cleaning tools, making it a complete solution for pet care. The low vibration and quiet design ensures that even nervous pets stay calmer during trimming. Its only drawback is that it's designed for thicker coats, so smaller dogs with fine hair may not need this much power. Still, for breeds like Golden Retrievers, Huskies, and German Shepherds, this clipper kit is a lifesaver.
List number 3. One Is All Dog Clippers for Grooming Thick, Heavy Coats. The One Is All Dog Clippers for Grooming Thick, Heavy Coats is another standout designed for power and precision. Its high-speed motor easily cuts through matted and thick fur without pulling, ensuring a smooth and stress-free grooming experience. The clippers feature a detachable blade system, making it simple to clean and maintain sharp performance over time. With multiple guard combs included, you can trim to different lengths depending on your pet's coat type and style. Pet owners especially appreciate the low-noise operation, which reduces grooming anxiety for skittish dogs. The cordless design adds flexibility, and the rechargeable battery provides ample runtime for medium to large grooming sessions. Unlike professional salon clippers that can be heavy and intimidating, this one balances power with user-friendliness. It's also lightweight, reducing hand fatigue for pet owners doing full-body trims. The main limitation is that while it excels at thick fur, it may not be the most efficient for detailed work on smaller breeds or face or feet trimming. However, paired with scissors or a smaller clipper, it's a powerful home grooming tool.
List number 4. One Is All Dog Clipper Low Noise. The One Is All Dog Clipper Low Noise model is designed specifically with sensitive pets in mind. Some dogs get easily spooked by loud motors, and this clipper addresses that issue with an ultra-quiet design, operating at a soft hum to minimize stress. Despite its quietness, it doesn't compromise on performance. The stainless steel and ceramic blade combination delivers smooth cutting while staying cool during use. The clipper is also cordless and rechargeable, making it convenient for both quick touch-ups and full grooming sessions. The lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver, especially in tricky areas like the face, paws, and tail. It comes with adjustable guard combs, giving you flexibility for different coat lengths. While it may not have the same brute strength as clippers built for very thick coats, it's perfect for small to medium-sized dogs or pets with fine to medium fur. Its focus is comfort for both you and your dog, making grooming less of a chore and more of a bonding activity.